Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Recently, we laid eyes on a prototype that kept camouflage to the minimum, concealing just its front as well as rear ends. As well as it was those scoops that served as the ideas for Kolesa's newest electronic take on the exec design from the Stuttgart company. It has an evolutionary styled grille, with a straight slat separated by the huge three-pointed star symbol between, swept-back headlamps with a new DRL signature, and also a bumper with side consumption flanking the midsection. The flush-mounted door manages must be discussed as well, next to the general look of the backside that will certainly make it hard to inform it apart from the smaller C Class and also the bigger S Class. The Russian doll layout is expected to continue inside also, with a similar shaped dashboard and a portrait-oriented screen installed in the middle. Digital evaluates, as well as lots of costs products, especially in the greater setups, which will certainly get great natural leather upholstery as well, and also multicolor ambient lights, to name a few, will be included. Allow simply wish that they iron out the inadequate construct quality of the vehicle, and also create an appropriate alternative to the BMW 5 Series as well as Audi A6. Beneath the skin, we should discover the MRA2 platform, which will certainly make it suitable with all kind of powertrains. The 2024 Mercedes Benz E Class is recognized to introduce with 2.0 as well as 3.0-liter engines, helped by power. The household will be topped by the AMG variations, and Europeans might get some diesels too when it will certainly begin arriving at dealers. Mentioning which, it has been reported that it will premiere next year, prior to releasing stateside as a 2024 model. Thank you for watching.